Here's how to check if your phone supports wireless charging or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your iPhone and navigate yourself to the general options. Once you're already on the general options, go to the about options, and then from the about options, usually you will see there the details on battery that says it is actually available for wireless charging. Or you can just go ahead and search for the model, or look for the model of your phone to the About option and search on Google. And search is iPhone 13, which is the model of iPhone that I am using right now, is supporting wireless charging. So once you search it on Google, it will give you a precise and accurate answer which says that yes, the iPhone 13, including the Mini, Pro, and Pro Max, fully supports wireless charging using both standard QI chargers at up to 7.5 watts and faster MagSafe charging. So this means that the iPhone 13 is actually supporting wireless charging. So now you can go ahead and do it.